With Lightroom opened, navigate to the Develop module. In the window on the left, click on the triangle to open the Presets tab, and then click the plus sign in the top right hand corner. A menu will appear, and here select Import Presets. A new window will open, and here you need to navigate to where your preset is saved. As a note, if you're installing multiple presets, you cannot install a zip file, so navigate to within the zip file or folder and select all of the presets that you wish to install. Here we are just installing one preset, so we'll select it and then click Import. Your presets will now be added under the User Presets tab, ready for use.